Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can make money with Base44. Okay, this is the software that is going to build you app in just minutes using artificial intelligence, and you can absolutely get money using this. And there's two ways that I want to show you today. Now the first way, guys, is that you can publish your own apps in the marketplace, which is the app template section in here, as you can see. So other people can use them, buy them and download them, okay? Maybe they can use them for free if they have like a premium plan. So what you have to do is just have to go to app templates, click on learn more, and just follow these steps, okay? It says open your apps builder, meaning you have to go to your, app section in here, just have to open it. And then you're just gonna go to the workspace settings, the app templates, and manage listing. And you're gonna set it to basically public visibility. And then people are going to be able to clone it, and you can get money depending on how many people that download it, and so on and so on. Now the second alternative, which I like the most, is actually the affiliate section. Okay, so you can search your referral codes with people, and if they join Base44, you will get money in return. So what are you going to do? You're going to click on affiliates, and you're going to be taken to this section in here. Okay, you're going to click on join now, and you're going to complete this form in here. You're going to go to sign up, just accept the contract, as you can see in here. Okay, and you're basically going to give you up to $100 per each person that sign ups with your referral code. So just sign up, fill in the form, and you're going to be given a code that you can share with the people so they join. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.